because there's still discomfort around the idea of returning to public spaces, the steps you take need to be more than effective. Focused on prevention, capable of reactive cleaning, and accountable through testing and reporting. A complete disinfection plan should have a continuum of services and protocols, informed by a team of experts, and by verifying these processes with the Rise Safe label, awarded by Bureau Veritas, a world-leading independent inspection company. You can build confidence around your organization-wide disinfection efforts. From proactive inspection with the latest bioluminescent technology, to the use of ultraviolet light and advanced disinfecting agents, all to minimize risk and create an environment where everyone can focus on doing the work they do best. Sodexo's disinfection specialists can help you maximize the effectiveness of your current plan with services designed for your unique space. It's a part of our systematic approach to help organizations operate safely and confidently. Rise with confidence with Sodexo.